How to connect Google Tag Manager to Meta. First, go to Tag Manager, google.com. Then once you get there, click on Tags. Then click on New. Then click here to Tag Configuration. Click Discover more tag types in Community Template. Click on Search. Type in Facebook. Choose the one by Facebook Archive, which is the Facebook pixel. Click on here. Enter your pixel ID. Then choose Enable Advanced Matching. Then click on Triggers. Click on All Pages. Then click on Save. We'll discard these changes once you click Save. Then you would click Submit. Click on Publish, and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching.